our hotel called Tijuana, and it's got like a whole Mexican theme, doesn't it?
It's got like a bright
Strange
mural
for
on the
being
wall.
in Italy, but yeah, and but everybody's having these drinks. They're very popular here. We've been seeing everybody
They're
drink
like
them.
an orangey color, and the waitress is going to make it for us, so we're going to show you that.
Yeah.
And we're going to have a nice big burger here and some fresh green salad. It's
gonna be good.
Delicious.
I can't wait to start eating.
Yeah.
Francisca is gonna make us a special drink of the local area. What's the name of the drink, Francisca?
Spritz Aperol and Spritz Campari. It's a typical drink here during the evening.
Okay.
This is too sweet to Campari. Campari is not sweet, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, so one's not so sweet as the other.
So she's gonna make us one sweet one and one not sweet, and then we're gonna.
We've seen a lot of these on the restaurant tables with people drinking.
Yes.
So you put in soda and then.
Yes, and wine.
And wine. Okay.
White wine.
Okay.
Yes. And it's the same wine and soda. It changes only this.
This one's a little more red looking.
Little vino
Yes.
Gotta have the vino.
And soda.
and soda.
Now, it's the big tasting. We've got these two orangey coloured drinks that we've seen on many tables in Italy, and we wondered what they tasted like, so we're going to have a little tasting. So here we are, the lighter coloured one. I don't know what it's called. It's nice, sort of sweet.
Sweet?
Yeah. Very sweet. And this one.
And the reddish one is not supposed to be so sweet, right?
Yeah, it's got like a slightly sour taste to it, but it's not really super sour. It's not bad.
Cool.
Both of them are really nice. So
Very
try one when
refreshing.
you're in Italy.
Yeah, very refreshing.
Yeah, it
And
is.
then they give you these little snacks too.
Yeah, come
like,
along with the
chips
drinks
and,
and everything, which is sort of nice.
yeah. We'll see ya.
The Spritz was born in Veneto during the 1800s, when visitors from the Austrian Habsburg Empire would lighten the strong Italian wine from local taverns with a splash of water. The recipe has evolved over time to become more than just wine and water, but rather wine, bitters, and water. Today, the classic Italian cocktail is enjoyed throughout Italy as an aperitivo, a social drink before dinner time, often paired with light bites such as tiny sandwiches and olives.
Thanks guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you like and hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell so you can be notified whenever we get a new video that comes out. Anyway, we'll talk to you next time. Bye.